Knife. Oh, cool. It works. We are live with black screen for some reasons. Okay. It's live on YouTube as well. Cool. Really cool. So yeah, that's what I will do from now. I will just stream on YouTube and Twitch in parallel. And CPU load is 3.7% in OBS applications, that's what I see. So that Windows PC is total overkill for streaming, but whatever. I was thinking about that Twitch affiliate agreement for a while, and I'm not a big fan of it. I do not like that Twitch likes to kind of keep your streams exclusive for Twitch only. And let's say so currently, if you will compare numbers on streams only, where are people watching streams? Of course, Twitch is kind of leading, but for me also it feels that streaming is like a feature, not a product, and everyone is adding features that streaming. YouTube, Facebook, I don't know, probably it is possible to stream on LinkedIn as well. You can stream everywhere, and I'm not sure that I should stick with Twitch only. I do not see reasons to stream only on Twitch. Twitch is great. I like Twitch. Nice community, really enjoy it. I like my streams on Twitch. That is interesting. We have interesting conversations and so on, but why that should be on Twitch only? I do not see good reason for that. Because if I'm streaming on Twitch and YouTube, then I have just kind of broader, more wider audience has access to the streams, because not so many people are on Twitch, and most of them are gamers. Ciao Gunder. Hello, hello. So yeah, that's why I changed in my mind. You are thinking about streaming as well. I highly recommend for you to stream on multiple platforms and then just see which will grow. If you are not streaming yet, when you will start to stream, you have to choose which platform you will use. So probably you are thinking about YouTube, so great, why not? But why do not stream on Twitch as well? there is, I do not see good reasons to not do that. And I can name at least few benefits, few points why to do that. So yeah, that's why I cancelled my Twitch affiliate. I do not see that we as stream here getting any bonuses from that affiliate. Yeah, you can subscribe to kind of donate money, part of money to me as streamer and part of money to Twitch as platform, but that doesn't make stream better. Okay, but you ordered new Mac as well, right? Or you are waiting for new Mac from job? Actually, there is not so much power is needed for streaming. Somehow that streaming just doesn't work really well on Macs, and also if you're trying to code and stream on that Mac at the same time, it's quite a lot of resources are needed. Hello, Rogio. Good afternoon. Yeah, it's afternoon here as well. It's 3 o'clock already. Actually, we can do like that. Holy shit, we are on 900 followers on this stream channel already. That's crazy. I started to stream probably 2 months ago, something like that. Maybe more. At the end of the August. August, September. Yeah, about 2 months. It's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, where am I? Current resolution is too big. It is not supported. Okay, interesting, but how it looks. Let's see how it looks on channel. Interesting. Quality, okay, HD. Okay, we are missing 4K here, but probably that's good enough. Okay, you get M1 Pro for work. If your company is fine that you are working on your own projects from company's computer, read fine text, small text in your agreement. Is it allowed? So you can use that M1 Pro for work and stream for your old 2016 MacBook Pro. It will hit the funds and so on, but that will work. And actually, you do not need capture card. There is that NV. What it was? Let me check. NDI, yeah, MDI captured. Basically, I did that on beginning. You can feed your screen to the local network using NDI encoding, something like that, and another machine can catch it from OBS, basically supporting that NDI streaming. Yeah, you can do you can do in that way as well. Streaming from M1 Pro, you can check what works better for you. If you are developing in Swift UI, so then those previews definitely will be compiled faster on that M1 Mac, but yeah, you can do it that way. Only reason, actually not only, two reasons why I would like to remove my streaming PC, because it is kind of more convenient to have microphone and headphones plugged in my Mac. Currently that is plugged in Windows PC. Also camera is connected to Windows PC. Let me check this for you about that NDI. So camera is connected also to Windows PC, so that is not perfect. For example, for meetings, I can't use camera and microphone and all that stuff. And second reason is cables. I have a lot of cables connected to that PC, and behind I have a mess of cables behind monitors, and behind table I just pretend that they are not here and do not care about them. But NDI output from Mac. I used this NDI tools. Basically, I removed. I don't have installed those on Mac anymore, but basically you install those NDI tools. Ooh, I do not remember which exactly I launched. NDI something. Basically you do from your Mac, you start that application and you can select, you have that application in toolbar and you can select what you will share. Basically I select desktop, and then on other machine you have OBS installed and you install NDI capture plugin, and that's it. Of course you don't like to use Wi-Fi to stream your screen. You would like to connect both machines to the same switch using Ethernet cable, and then that works just fine. The problem what I saw with NDI streaming, if you have multiple monitors, that NDI display streaming will send as NDI output signal all your screens, not only one screen, but all the desktops. Basically I had my 49-inch screen, Mac connected to it, and then I sent all that to the street as NDA output. And if you just get all that picture and crop it, then it somehow becomes a bit laggy and didn't work really well. So, but if you will have only two laptops and you are streaming just your laptop screen, then that will be fine. Thank you, Yoda Code. Yeah, today is the day. So yeah, that NDI definitely works. I finished buying capture card. Capture card costs around $200 or euros, so it's a bit better solution. But that is money. This NDA will work for free, but if you have to buy switch dongles to get USB to get Ethernet cable connected, then maybe take a look on capture card and invest money in capture card. No, nothing. I have no plans. I got my cake. That was kind of surprise from my wife. I got cake delivered, and on the evening we will just have cake with family, and that's it. All the restaurants, everything is closed. We have lockdown here. Weather outside is horribly bad, so nothing. And frankly, I do not care much about birthdays. I will start to celebrate them when I will have 100 and more, because I don't know, currently 45, 46, 47. What's the difference? Thank you, Fusion. Yeah. We will have national holidays on November 18. Then I will go to visit my wife's parents, and yeah, we will kind of celebrate our Independence Day and my birthday, something like that. Basically, we'll have some barbecue, something like that. Yeah, probably. Yeah, 15 is kind of, yeah, fair enough. Yeah, 15 also is kind of a round number, kind of in the middle, on the way to 100. Agree, good point, yeah. We'll celebrate 15. Okay, somehow I feel kind of lazy today, but that's fine. For birthday, I believe I can be a little bit more lazy, and even for lazy me, I already added some new code to my application. And last few weeks, even months, was very active in development. Yeah, Burhan, it's my birthday today. I'm 46 today. Yeah, that's a good point for sure. After 80s, you can celebrate each day, each year. Maybe in 90s, you already can start to celebrate each month. I don't know. We'll see. Uh, Sorry, Burhan. I just yeah. Thank you. Sorry. It's not big deal. I don't know. But birthday is once in a year, so I included that in title, and also it was kind of shortcut for me to make content for today's social post as well without overthinking, and lazy way to do that. I got cake, I made a short video, I added that, oh, it's cake day, and nice post. But it's not big deal for me. So yeah, last few months was very intense, and Mikael, maybe you don't know. Do you remember I told that I would like to hit 1000 in revenue till the end of the year on my freediving application? Guess what? Last 28 days we are on $1,262 already. Dope. And yeah, currently I am started working on this daily plank app. Actually, I do not expect to see almost any sales. Yeah, thank you. I do not expect to see almost any sales on I realized that I didn't share that on other social platforms, only here on streams. I am preparing YouTube video for it. Burhan kind of motivating me to release that video, and I'm kind of lazy with that video. I'm done with script for it, and I have to start filming, but yeah. So yeah, this is my next app. This one. Now I would like to get this to some revenue, but I do not expect to see any sales for current version because it is too expensive for what it is doing. But I'm looking currently on new customer numbers, and right now new customer number, this is great because before update, application was on about, let's open my Obsidian document for it. So before update it was 39 downloads per month, and that was kind of this month was better than previous one, so that was on about 30 something downloads per month, and now we have already 37 downloads since last update. It is about 2 days, so that's cool. Actually, I wanted to test this live stream. Let's add test. I'm curious, will this appear in chat? In this chat as well? I guess that no. Okay, it is not here, and most likely it will be not here, but ciao Roland. Hello. Hello, and thank you for following. Let's check. Where I have that? Probably this chat. Let's try once more. This will not appear here until I added this in Streamlabs. Let's try. Let's add this in Streamlabs. Streamlabs or Stream Elements as well. Okay, let's go to Streamlabs. Can I add another YouTube? I have my main YouTube channel here, but I would like to add my... Okay, I can log out. No. Okay. This YouTube channel. Allow. Okay. Let's go with starter. No, I don't need Streamlabs OBS. Oh, I just wanted to connect to the same account what I already have. Doesn't that work so? Huh. No. Okay. That is not what I wanted to do. I wanted to link. I already have my account here, and I have linked YouTube channel to the same account as well. I have no idea how I do that. Basically, yeah, log out is not that. And can we do go away? So yeah, those are my streams. That's right. Can I add one more YouTube channel? How that works actually? Account settings. Not here. Why I like to do that? I like to get common. Here is this chat box. It works like common chat between different platforms. So if I am streaming on YouTube and on Twitch, I could show common chat on the screen. How can I change that YouTube channel? Maybe in multi-stream. YouTube, remove. I definitely can do that in Streamlabs application, but I don't want to download Streamlabs application, just this. Do I have it? Maybe I have it. Oh, I have it. Streamlabs OBS. Okay. Okay, let's try. Kind of, yeah. That happens when you're streaming on on birthday. You're getting calls and messages and so on. And that's how it works. So, seems that I fixed my chat problem. Let's check that once more. So, it is... This will be YouTube, let's say YouTube test 4, and I will write also in Twitch test 1. So this is Twitch test 1 and this is YouTube test. Yeah, I see them, both are on the screen, so that works. Cool. So yeah, from now we will have stream on YouTube and on Twitch as well, and that's working kind of fine. And chat also is working. Good. Okay. Water break. I'm 46 today. Yeah, 46 years old. Like that. No. No. Thank you, of course, but I'm not even close to 35. Swift, I started to learn Swift in my late 30s. Paldies, Roland. Paldies. So I started to learn Swift whenever Swift was released in 2014. I was on and off with that Swift, kind of learning for a while, but really started freelancing it in 2016. So I started to use it professionally. So let's say it was released in summer 2014. So 2015 I tried to build several applications, kind of trying to get into that indie app business, but didn't succeed, let's say so. Apps was, to be honest, apps was not really great, and then I started freelancing. So yeah, 2015 to 2016, which year we have today, 2021, so it's about 5 years ago, so in my very late 30s, let's say so. I was kind of... I released my very first application in the App Store in 2012. It was Objective-C, of course. But then I kind of put that aside, that all the development and so on, because it felt kind of tricky. It wasn't clear how to build applications back then, because it was iOS 6, iOS 5, and then all the apps had crazy fancy designs, and I was able to build kind of simple applications using UIKit elements, but all the applications on the App Store was looking very fancy. All the skeuomorphism, all that stuff. So I didn't see how I can move from that to something more fancy. And also there wasn't so much Objective-C programming jobs in country, so I didn't see where I could apply my skills. And end goal for me always was to build my own applications. I never wanted to work as a developer in company. That never was my plan. So yeah, when Swift was released, iOS 7 design had a restart. Swift was released, so I kind of restarted that programming learning, and here I am. Okay, we have a few more followers here. Marwitz Bayada. Hello, Jordan. And Frobix. Hello, hello. Hi, Anna. Hello. Okay. Probably we would like to make it look more like button or something. For beginning, actually we could go with our... Do we have some button already? I guess we developed at least for purchases. Premium banner view. Something like that. Actually, that's fine. We can... or that will be too dark. That will be too dark. But yeah, nice to have shadow. What did I have for those in a purchase buttons? Didn't I? Purchase button. Okay, that's different. We are handling all that product information in that button. Now we need something more simple. Border is text. Something like that. Button like that. Okay, I have a button with shadow. Okay. Where it is? Okay, here it is. I have a button with shadow. But that is only one line. Okay, but basically that will be something similar, but we will use... Okay. Anyways, we can copy something from here. And we will need to... Yeah, we will need to create for worker card, for worker code card. Something, we'll use something similar. Foreground color, background, corner radius. This is going to view. So oh, too much. This part is going here. This padding probably is going here. What else? Something like that. Boom. Okay, something like that. Yeah, this actually will be... This actually will be label, and we will use more... We can use image here. Yeah, we can use image here. Image. System name. Let's check something. So we will need that image then in. Oh, I already like SwiftUI. Welcome back, Mikhail. I already like SwiftUI. When I started to work on that freelancing, freediving application, it was kind of pain, but currently I enjoy this special offer view. It took a lot of time and energy to make it look like that. I could build that screen in UIKit. I don't know I don't know how much time it is needed here. Maybe hour, maybe less. Okay, without the in-app purchase functionality more, but of course, just to have static strings and for screen like that. I don't know, hour maybe for UIKit. But I spent, I don't know, few days on that screen in SwiftUI. Then it was more like hate. But currently I kind of like it already. I know that I will need to push myself towards that SwiftUI, and working on real life project was the only way to do that. So it's starting to click. I still Googling a lot, but it's become easier. And yeah, generally I like it. Okay, we are missing string here. Generally I like it. Okay, let's add something here. Yeah. That of course can be different for everyone, but for me, learning by doing works the best, and especially working on some specific project, not just on tutorials. Because if I am just doing tutorials, I do not remember that stuff anyways. I can't say that I remember if I am. I can't say that I remember that stuff if I am doing that for myself. Of course, I remember something, but I'm going back to my own code to look for examples quite often. But it kind of clicks. I at least know. Oh, I know I did that in that way, and I kind of find where I did that and something I remember. But when I'm just following tutorials, it is just going over my head. I don't know, that doesn't click. And yeah, I kind of know already how to put together parts of SwiftUI puzzle to make what I want to make, so that kind of works. Okay, we can't apply. Why can't I apply it on all the H stack? That will be cool to apply on both strings the same. Okay, what's wrong here? Okay, that doesn't work. Somehow we should be able to add color, right? Color, what? Color, foreground color. Okay. Actually, I do not need bold here. maybe. Yeah, maybe. Now it works. It's kind of strange, I added the same. Okay, that bold didn't work for the image. Maybe. Whatever. That is you what I wanted to get. Maybe even title 2. Yeah, that's kind of confusing, that order of those modifiers. That is still really kind of tricky. And yeah, modifiers, applying those modifiers, that is kind of tricky. Paulo, hello. Hello and welcome to the stream. So let's try to put this now into the actually I will initialize this view with workout, and I will read this data of course for workout. Currently I'm just hard coding I'm doing so. I'm hard coding first, and then I'm to do not overcomplicate on beginning. But that looks exactly how I would like to see that, so that's cool. Probably too much text still here. I will work on those visual details a bit more. We'll see. But yeah, this symbol as image, that could work, yeah. APK99, hello. Is that APK like Android app? I'm guessing here. We just discussed Android app, not here on stream, but in meeting today on morning, Android app, life cycle and all that stuff. Thank you, Pokeballs. Thank you very much. Okay. So. Okay, what do I like to do now? Probably put this on home screen. Okay, let's add that workout card here. And we already could start now application by going not to this home view, but actually I will need that logic, some logic from this home view in new home view. Yeah, for example, we are showing that special offer, that is those 3 lines of code are just gold. Definitely we'll need that in, let's add it immediately just to do not forget. Those 3 lines of code, yeah, of course the special offer view as well, those generated, I don't know how much, maybe at least half of this month's revenue. Yeah, where we are doing that, here on view, right? Right. On up. Or not right. Probably right. Yeah, it's still kind of tricky. For example, it's not clear where you should put those modifiers. Okay, expressive declaration for what? Probably I'm putting that modifier in wrong place. Probably it should be here. Yeah, seems that here, yeah. And where is my old home VC? So no, that's welcome VC, home VC. Yes, 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 that order is very important. Actually, where we are changing that. Ah, okay. So we will show special offer here. That is not kind of critical to add it now, but just in case I will add it now. I was there, and so why not? And also we will need to change in our app delegate. That's also a good question. Do I still need app delegate? If I will, yeah, probably I still have onboarding storyboard, but I will move away from this mind storyboard. I will oh yeah, I see where I'm shooting myself in the leg. Because I'm jumping from welcome storyboard on mind storyboard in onboarding process, so if I will remove this mind storyboard, that will be kind of tricky for me to move over. There was few issues with stacked navigation views. That was, yeah, I spent quite a bit of time on that. So probably I will, yeah. I definitely will get rid from both of those storyboards. So I will change. I will not need app delegate anymore. So that is for user interface tests. That is also not critical. And that is purchase, delegate, handling. Yeah, I do not need it. I will use. I have to check how to migrate from app delegate to that new approach. Probably you just. Probably you should do changes in project as well, in project configuration. I will leave that for later. I will not do that today. It is already getting kind of late here. It's 4:30. Yeah, I will I will leave it here, and I will continue tomorrow on the storyboard removing. And now I will switch to writing. I have to finalize my script for video, what I planned, just to write down all the points what I planned to talk about, and video clips which I will need to record. So probably, yeah, I will switch to that. AlterHub, thank you. Hello, and thank you, yeah, for birthday wishes. So yeah, definitely. So next thing to do, actually I can write it down in my to-do app. Actually, what do I have in those? That onboarding flow, it is really simple. There is not so much code in those screens. And that background basically is image. This one, yeah, is background image. I created those backgrounds in Sketch app, so I can just recreate those screens really fast in SwiftUI. Basically, no problem to remove this. Mine storyboard, also there is not so much screens anymore. This mine screen, which I am changing now. This screen is also quite simple, and that's it. And then we have settings storyboard. Also, not so much things to do. This is for icon changing. This screen is, I don't know, static, and yeah, basically this screen. But also nothing serious. I have just move over those switches. Actually, that could be also good moment to think about design in that screen, because that design is kind of a little bit crowded already. That screen is a little bit. Basically, if I will like to add anything in settings, I don't know how many buttons else I can add here, so not so much I will leave. There are already too many information in the screen. So yeah. Okay, I will leave this storyboard changes for tomorrow, let's say so. Also, I have to think about this planking application, because I'm planning to add more features. Those changes which I'm doing now for freediving applications, those are not urgent. I could postpone those for, I don't know, for a week or even more. But for planking application, I should add more exercises. We'll see how those, if that application will have any downloads, and we have quite a few. 37, okay. Okay, that's not much. At least I should add something for, yeah, actually I should add something in the logic for this application. Add leveling to 30-day planking challenge. Actually I already planned that for tomorrow. It has Friday here. Okay, I will do this one definitely. Leveling for 30-day plank challenge. And if I will have time left, then I will check how to properly remove storyboards and app delegate from the project. Okay, storyboards, that is just deleting and that's it. But app delegate, it's not a big problem to create that app starting file which is used in SwiftUI, but I'm not sure what should be changed in project settings, so I should sort that out. Yeah, that's for tomorrow. Okay, I will stop. Actually, I will stop Twitch stream here, probably. Yes, my plank app was approved in the same day. Actually, it took few hours to approve, but it was approved, yeah, in the same day. And I already uploaded one bug fix release. Actually, let's take a quick look on that planking application in the App Store, Connect. Actually, I was thinking about live streaming on my YouTube channel today, kind of birthday stream, just for some hanging around. You had crashes. Interesting. Let's go to the app analytics. I see 4 crashes so far. So, of course, those are not all users. Did you do any specific on this application? Have it crashed? Actually, let's check. Okay, let's check. The best method to connect with me: Twitter DM, Instagram. Instagram DMs are kind of tricky. I have quite a lot of them. But also there is contact form in the application. I'm reading those emails. In live stream chat, of course, I'm... Okay, let's check. So what we see here, no crash logs. So this is only reason why I would like to add Firebase back to my project. Because if you will open Firebase, you will have totally different picture. I don't know, Maybe I will add it. So if I am going to console snorkeling, my application had Firebase, has Firebase for a while. In App Connect, they are updating it daily, but in Firebase you can't. Okay, I don't have Crashlytics installed it on that, and I didn't use those for this app. Okay. I have Firebase, I have basic analytics, but I don't have Crashlytics installed on it. Okay. We still have users who are sticking with old versions of application. So those, for example, 2 users per last 30 minutes, those still have old, more than years old application version. We still have some revenue numbers here. That's interesting. I don't know about those crash data in Firebase is really nice, and then you can see all the data. And I'm using Crashlytics for one of the freelance projects, and quite often the picture is so that you do not see any. Okay, that's blank. Let's switch to freediving. Quite often you see that, oh, we have crashes here. Nice. 2 devices has crash when Realm crashed. Okay. But what did you do when application crashed for you? If you can screen record how do you do that, that of course will be awesome. And you can send it to me at Ivers. Let's write it down. So this crash is in the Realm library. Okay, thank you very much. That's really helpful. Yeah, so this is Realm crash, something in Realm library. Let's search the best way to do that. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for good birthday wishes. Yeah, strange. I can delete records from database without problems, but definitely seems that we have that crashes happens when user is trying to delete data from database. So that is something that I need to research. When is your birthday? Why no one is saying happy birthday to you? Come to this chat on your birthday, we will wish you a good birthday. We can help you with that. Come here on your birthday, we will wish you to have a good one, the best one. Okay, that is one thing to research. Kind of works fine for me, but obviously we have crashes in production. We'll try to fix that. All the other looks fine. Okay, I'm sticking here. I'm here for a bit too long already. So, Pokeballs, many thanks for help. Now I am for real stopping stream. I will be back. I will be back tomorrow. And yeah, I have plenty of things to do. So tomorrow will be more busy day, even more busy day than it was today. Okay. Enough is enough. Do we have something else left? No, seems that it is it. And let me check one more thing really fast. Yeah, nothing here. Yeah, okay. Videos on my way. Thank you very much, Pokeballs. I will check that and I will take a look. Can I fix that tomorrow? Bye bye.